I was sent this set of 3 mower pulleys and asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So here goes. Here's everything you're going to get sent to you in the box. This comes as a 3-pack. You get the installation bolts here with the safety nut on here with the plastic insert, and then a spacing washer. And you're going to get 3 of these pulleys, and these are really nice. They've got the bearings pressed into them already. And you can see here that they just spin real smooth. There's really no sound, no grinding sound, no slop in there. Very, very, very good fit on these. Heavy steel. The sides of the pulley are riveted together. So you see these here coming through, all riveted through. So you got both sides here really firmly connected to each other. Made out of steel. A magnet will stick to it for sure. And this bearing is just what's so impressive is as you set this on your mower deck so that your belt is flowing through here, you're not going to have any issues with this for many, many years because it's going to spin so nice with this replacement. Just got a really good set of bearings pressed right into the center of these 2 pulleys. So really well made. These work on a variety of vehicles. In terms of mowers, you've got could be Toro, Exmark, TimeCutters, all kinds of different ones. So you're going to want to check the application for yours. And typically these work on like a 42-inch or a 50-inch deck, typically used on 0 turns because I've got so many twists and turns underneath that deck that you're dealing with. So hey, I hope this video was helpful. Learn a little bit more about these pulleys, see the quality. Definitely a good replacement. This is not a cheap knockoff product. And as always, I hope this video was helpful, and have a great day.